Also, yeah, the SWR tuner is right down there. The one with the sear one. I didn't have to adjust nothing with it. So all the channels are working good because I actually did this. So I'm going to test this audio on my other base station. Break 12, break 1, 2. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Audio, audio, audio from the mobile rig trc23c realistic radio. Make sure the audio is testing, and I'll be testing on the base station in a few minutes. So I'm checking the SWRs on all of them. Wait a minute. What's going on here? Yep, SWR is low. That's good. Wait a minute. There's no signal in this. Hold on a second. There it goes. It's working now. It's a little glitchy, but it's okay. There it goes. It's set. I'm at 1.1. Looking at it right now, when it's like that, it's usually between 1.1, not 1.2. It's pretty good. It's between that way. That's 1.1. 1.2 is right here. You have to count the little things. 1, 2 is right there. 3, 4. 4 is usually near the 1.5. It's pretty quite good. It's around between 1.1. That's good. Gonna go back in a minute. Let's try to switch it up. Alright. My SWR is pretty quite low. See what's wrong with this radio. Hold on a second. Just a little bad connection, it's no big deal. It'll fix itself. There it goes. That's what we want. Make sure it's good. That's good. It's a little glitchy, but it's okay. It'll still work fine. Sorry, the jumper cable's doing now. There it goes, I know what it is. Don't transmit this, I don't have to untangle this cord. It's probably that's what it is, the cord's a little bit longer. Aha. There you go, gotta adjust that. That's what I want. That's right, 1.1, 1.2. That's about 1.2 looks like. Sure it's just unset. Right there. Yep, between 1.1 and 1.2. Not 1.2, very rarely on 1.2. It's usually between. But it's pretty good. Okay, see if you guys can see that. Gotta do that right away. Okay. Gotta make sure the coax is really good when you set this stuff up. I'm telling you, I'll call to all my special friends, including Blake and Danielle. And let's see if this works. And also Melissa. Even to my cousin Janelle's out east. So we'll try it out. I'm going to be in there and get the base station fired up in a few minutes, see what it sounds like here. Break 2, break 1, 2, break 1, 2, break, break, break. Radio check, radio check. I know my SWR is around 1.3 on this one. It's pretty quite good. So I'm testing on an audio trc23c radio mobile rig, realistic radio, and from 1987. So just want to see the audio is coming out. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be right back in a couple minutes on the base station. Try out on the other end here. That's pretty good. Same thing as on channel 19. Looks quite good. Break 19, break 19, break, break, break for a radio check. Testing on a trc23c mobile radio. Probably can't hear because of all the power lines, but yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. It'll still work. You gotta be away from those power lines when you do it. I'm gonna go back to channel 12. So we're looking at 1.2 at least. That's pretty good. That's where I wanted at. 1.2 it is. Okay, I'll be right back in a couple minutes. You're gonna hear the base station when it echoes its mic. So you'll see it. See how it sounds like from that mobile rig.
Break 1, 2, break, break for radio check. I'm testing on this mobile radio on my base station. So, this is Stockman 362. I'm testing on the mobile rig down there from my base station I'm talking from. On my stick, Navajo. Break 1, 2, break, break, break for a radio check. This is Stockman 362 on the base station. I'm talking to the mobile rig down there. So, I hope everything's quite good. Audio. I'm going to turn up the echo in a second. Right about there, 10-4. There we go. Audio. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So, I hope you guys actually listen to this on this YouTube video. Usually I'll listen to my special friends, including Blake, Danielle, Melissa, and my cousin Janelle out east. I hope you actually hear this from the base station antenna. I gotta sit out there in my front driveway with the other radio, just testing it out on that. And I hope you guys can hear it quite good on this one. Some people can actually hear me almost about 8 to 10 miles away, at least. Most of them getting those guys down in the valleys around 9 pounds, between 8 or 7. I'm just sitting out here on the radio doing some testing on the video gate so people can hear this radio. I'm talking this on the 1975 base station radio, trc23c, all crystal radio, and I'm running on a Superstar DM452 Echo microphone. So it's got batteries built in this thing for 9-volt batteries, and I had to tune the SWR on the mobile rig, so it's running between 1.2, between 1.1 on it. Here on this thing, it's actually working really good. I'm not even bouncing on the SWR on this one right now. They're at 1.0 at least. It's pretty good. It is really good. So it's holding me out pretty quite awesome. So I gotta go. I'll catch y'all later. Have a wonderful week this week. And that's what I'm saying. To all my social friends, including Blake, Danielle, Melissa, and my cousin Janelle out east, how to ran these 2 video cameras on this right now. So I'm going 10-7 for a while. This is Foxman 362. Catch y'all later.
That was actually a good effort, Mike. So I had it did on one video for a while. So I had to probably break up the other video completely, but it's alright. This one you don't. So yeah, all them dogs were barking in the background. They get like that sometimes. But well, yeah, this will work if you don't stay under those power lines. You gotta get an antenna tuner. I'm talking to you, Melissa. I'm talking about you on this radio. I'm talking about all my special friends. But I know it's like you got to be away from the power line. It usually bounces off. If you get one of these mobile rigs set up, like you can find one of these for $20 on eBay. They're not that much, but you can get one set up. You got to get a really good one. Usually flea markets have them. I check the chips inside each time when you do it. All you need is get an antenna tuner, like a 2-knob switch one, like the one that hooks coax. I'm trying to get that one soon. So once I do that, to all my special friends, I'm going to get another antenna tuner. I'm going to test this radio again. We're going to probably do another test on that with the 2 knobs when I get one. And I'm going to put a big whip on it, which I have that whip. It'll do fine for me once it goes. We'll be able to talk a little bit long distance either way, from down the valleys up to the base station. I know. But I'm talking about to you, Melissa, go with the FRS GMRS radio like I said. I hope you're actually watching this video, seeing this the way I am. Very quite good. But I hope you, because I private message on Facebook when we talked about that a while back, we know. So you can actually get your sister on the CB radio. You can talk to each other in your local area. So make sure you get a really good antenna that goes on the top of your car or something like that. You can find them at the truck gas station stops knowing them, Melissa, like the Pilot gas station, Lady J's and all that. And I'm just telling you about that. And that's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying. I had to break this up in the videos the way I did. It's pretty good. So yeah, you can be able to talk to your sister on CB. I rather prefer FRS, GMRS, or the MERS network for the Bowfang radios. You could use ham radio on those repeaters too. So also to my sister friends, so I got this on right here. I'll show you the thing I had to do. I didn't have to adjust no screws on it. That's why the wonderful thing about this, what it is. So I had to set this radio up the way I had to did it. So we got a mobile station ready to go. So that means I can put it on any car with this right now. With a walkie-talkie, this one I can usually use this one for the walkie-talkie. I'll wait till I get the 2 antenna tuner knobs. So we'll be able to do this. It's a little glitchy, but it's no big deal. As long as it's working, that's how you do it. You can run this on a big antenna, but it's for a mobile station. But the ones, the 2 knobs, can run on a base station and mobiles. It's the difference. So I'm letting you guys go. Have a wonderful week. So I actually tried out some radio checks today. They actually heard me pretty quite good down in the valleys. The truckers can. I haven't heard any roll and skip. I have to probably see if I can raise the antenna later on, but not right now. I'll see. I have to see if I can get a skip at night. I've been trying to find a way to get the skippers. In here, I actually heard the skippers on this channel just a couple of weeks ago in this car. And I heard them all the way. They're probably not hitting on that certain time. Channel 6 is the skip channel. And let me tell you, all my SWRs are working good up to channel 40. When that is working really good, like I was telling them, when it's working good means this thing is ready to go. So I'm going to have no problem with it. But it's a lot of ground noise because of the power lines. See, I'm running at 1.1. And that's not bad. When it's doing that, it is really good. all the channels on this one. This works a lot better than antenna tuner I have. So I don't have to do anything with this guy. This thing is really good. It's probably a little bit loud on this one. Yeah, it's 1.2 on this, 1.1. Yeah, this thing is really wonderful. But I'm telling you, get yourself one of these radios. If you live by an interstate, your chances are very quite good to talk to people. It's very quite good. So I'm telling you like that. I'm going to let this video go off for a while. I'll have to show you the antenna tuner in a second. I forgot to show you that. SWR meter, that's what you need. That's the Workman SWR2T. So I'm going to let you go right now.